In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can rank in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have some data where salesperson total sales is here. Now we are going to rank based on their total sales. Come to the rank cell value. Here we will add rank function. Enter equal, then write rank. Here is the number 3 rank. Enter tab, then the number, which number you want to rank. This is our number, and now enter a comma, then give the reference from which value you want to rank, and we are giving this reference. But mind it, you should log the reference value. For logging this, you just need to enter F4 on your keyboard. That will log the range. Now put a comma, then you need to decide how you want to rank this. If you want to rank this with most cell to the number 1 rank, then you need to select 0. We are selecting 0. Then enter closing bracket. Click OK. Now drag it to the last. Here you can see most cells is carry. O is ranked 1, and there is a problem, which is one. John and Steven rank is 2 because they sell the same amount. That's why they have ranked 2, and the rank tree has been skipped. In Microsoft Excel, if the sales is same, then it will skip the next value. This is how you can use rank function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.